Welcome to telaHosting. How to verify your domain on Meta via cPanel DNS. Verifying your domain on Meta, which includes Facebook and Instagram, helps protect your brand, control link preview, and access advanced features like ads and commerce manager. Here are some reasons why you should verify your domain on Meta. You get full authority over your domain on Meta. You can control who can edit your links, previews, and content. Your ads become more trustworthy. It's required for some meta pixel and conversion features. It protects your brand identity across Facebook and Instagram. And if you're serious about online visibility and brand protection, this is something you must do. One of the easiest way to do this is by adding a TXT record in cPanel DNS, and in this video I'll show you how to do exactly this. To begin, you need access to your Meta Business Manager. Visit business.facebook.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, just create an account. Make sure to create a business portfolio, as this is what you'll be using. Select the business portfolio and click on settings. Once inside, go to brand safety, then click domains. After that, click add to register your domain. Enter your domain name without https, for example yourdomain.com, and click add. The platform will now show you 3 verification methods, but the one we want is the DNS verification, so choose DNS verification. Meta will now give you a TXT record. This is what proves you own the domain. Copy it exactly as shown. This is what you will add to your cPanel DNS. Also, take note not to add quotation mark or extra spaces. Just copy the TXT record exactly as provided. Don't make any changes. Now, open a new tab and log into your cPanel account. Scroll down to the domain section and click Zone Editor. Find the domain you want to verify and click Manage next to it. Click Add Record and select TXT record. In the name field, enter your domain or leave it as default if it autofills. In the TXT value field, paste the value provided by Meta and click Save. Once saved, return to Meta and click Verify Domain. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take a few minutes to several hours to propagate, so if verification doesn't succeed immediately, check again later. After verification, your domain is now linked to your Meta Business Manager account, giving you full control over link ownership and brand features. And that's it. You've verified your domain and ensured your Facebook and Instagram assets are fully under your control. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials with telaHosting. See you in the next video.